Hi everyone. Today I'd like to welcome you back to the channel, and we're going to take care of a couple things that probably are the most neglected things on a car. This here is the rear windshield, the rear, not the windshield, but the rear wiper blade. Okay, my bad. The rear wiper blade, and usually, just like this one, look at it. It's over here. You can tell that it's very tethered. It's probably the original one. And this car is, what, 8 years old. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to replace it with this Rain-X. And for this one, this is the rear, and this is the one that fits. So, at least that's what it says it fits. So we're going to find out. First, what you want to do is on this one, I think it's very similar to the one I used to do on my Highlander, is you just take this back piece and you pop it up like that. And at that point, you can bring this up. And as you can tell, it actually stands up. And then here, you can just pop it up, and then it comes right off, just like that. And basically, that's what it looks like right there, okay? So let's get the new one out of the box. Here's the new one. I'm just going to open it up. And let's compare the new one to the old one. There we go. Here's the old one, here's the new one. Similar in shape. This main hook area looks kind of smaller than the factory one. Let me see if there's an adapter or something like that in here. And I don't see one. So there's no adapter in there. But also the blade area looks about the same. And looks a tad smaller. I mean, it's supposed to be a 12-inch, but So basically what you want to do is, you can tell that right there is where it's supposed to sit in. So basically just slam that baby home, okay, and then lower it down, and that should hold it in place just like that, and then bring back there, and then close it. Okay, so that's it. I mean, really simple. This thing was like, what, $9, $10, maybe $11, I can't remember with tax. So, I mean, really easy fix for something that's that simple. And all right, continuing with the second, or even the first, depending on what you're doing in your car model, is the cabin filter. And usually it's located either underneath the glove box or in the glove box. In this model, I believe it's in the glove box, and I have to actually swing this down. And this, you can just squeeze the insides in and it'll flip down. So let me empty the glove box and bring you back when I've lowered it, okay? So let me empty that out. Inside the glove box, you will see that there's this tray, and then there's two tabs here. There's one here, and the lighting is bad, but you get the idea. You push it in, and then those things, the little cover should pop out. It's moving. There it is. See right there? You push and push, and that should do it. And then take a look at where the up arrow is. That up arrow is going up, and then we're gonna pull it out. And let's take a look. And this one is pretty dirty. It's probably the original. It's probably the factory original, because like I said, people don't tend to. Also, you can tell that there's an up arrow on this to tell you which way it goes. I bought one from the old Supertech Wally World 20,000 mile one. I think this was like $11. This one said made in the US, so that's why we went with this one. And so let's open it. There we go. We'll take it out. We'll compare it with the original. It looks pretty good. This one has the foam. This one has a little foam piece in the back, and in the front. That's kind of interesting. Airflow goes that way. So you're just gonna have to put it in. Even though the writing is on here, we're not putting it in this way. We gotta put it in this way. So we just gotta make sure that the actual pleats go the right way. And if you look, it says up. Or if it says up, airflow, and the arrow go that way. So we know we're going in the right direction. We push that into place. We'll take the cap, same way, and then we should just be able to clip this back into place like so, and that's it. And then we'll put the glove box back in place, and that is a replacement of a original fairly original. Oh yeah, that's got some nasty stuff in there. And usually what you'll notice is that a lot of people will complain that their blower or their fan just doesn't blow as well as you used to, or there's decreased airflow, and sometimes it's just the fact that the cabin air filter needs to be replaced. So go ahead and take the step and do it, and hopefully you'll have good luck on your project. Thank you for watching another video, and thank you for subscribing, and have a wonderful day. Bye now, everyone.